I am Pushpa Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about Institutional Review Boards, that is IRB. So it has been an important component of ethical oversight in research involving human subjects for several decades. Then the history of IRB in the United States dates back to the earlier than 1981. The main framework of IRB in the US was established through the Belmont Report in 1979 and the Common Rule in 1991, which was revised in 2018. Then the Belmont Report, published in 1979, outlines the fundamental ethical principles and guidelines for research involving human subjects. These principles are: first one is the respect of person, second one is the beneficence, and third one is the justice. And in 1981, the US Department of Health and Human Services introduced regulation regarding the protection of human subject in research. Then these regulations were codified under the title of 45 of the Code of Federal Regulation, that is part 46. And these regulations include specific requirements for the establishment and the operation of IRB at the institution conducting research involving human subject. So, while IRB and ethical review processes excited before the 1981, this was an important year to the development of regulation and guidelines governing their operations and oversight in the United States.